Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing great and ready for an exciting story. Today I'm going to share with you a fascinating wedding tale, Abdullahi Ki Shadi Ki Kahani. This story is not just about a wedding, but about the beautiful journey of two souls coming together. This isn't just any ordinary wedding. It's filled with love, laughter, and some unexpected moments that made it truly memorable. So grab a chai and let's dive into this beautiful journey. Imagine yourself in a serene garden, sipping on a warm cup of tea as we embark on this heartwarming tale. Abdullahi, एक बहुत प्यारा लड़का, जिसकी शादी का इंतजार सबको था. He was the kind of person who brought joy to everyone around him, and his wedding was eagerly awaited by all. Finally, मिल गई uski dream girl, Zara. Their meeting was nothing short of a fairy tale. Zara, जो अपनी सी simplicity और हंसी से सबका दिल जीत लेती थी. She had a charm that was irresistible, and her smile could light up the darkest of days. दोनों की मुलाकात एक दोस्त की wedding पे हुई, और वहां से शुरू हुई इनकी प्रेम कहानी. It was at a friend's wedding that their paths crossed, and from that moment, their love story began to unfold. शादी की तैयारियां शुरू होती हैं और दोनों families में खुशी का माहौल है. The preparations for the wedding began, and both families were filled with joy and excitement. बेटी की मेहंदी की रस्म हो या दुल्हे का सेहरा बंधवाना, सब कुछ बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से प्लान किया गया था. Every ceremony, from the bride's mehendi to the groom's sehra, was meticulously planned to perfection. लेकिन शादी के दिन कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था. But on the day of the wedding, something happened that no one could have anticipated. बिल्कुल फिल्मों की तरह जब सब कुछ परफेक्ट लग रहा था, तभी लाइट चली गई. Just like in the movies, when everything seemed perfect, the lights went out. Han, right at the moment when Abdullahi was about to put the ring on Zara's finger. It was a moment of sheer surprise and disbelief. सब शॉक में थे, लेकिन फिर Zara ने सबको हंसा दिया अपनी एक चुटकुले से. Everyone was in shock, but then Zara lightened the mood with a joke. उसने कहा, शादी हमारी है, तो light क्यों ना हो? She said, it's our wedding, so why shouldn't there be light? इस छोटी सी बात ने माहौल को फिर से रोमांटिक और फन बना दिया. This small remark turned the atmosphere romantic and fun once again. Abdullahi और Zara ने कैंडल लाइट में अपने vows exchange किए और सबने मोबाइल टॉर्चेस जलाकर उन्हें रोशनी दी. Abdullahi and Zara exchanged their vows by candlelight, with guests lighting up the scene with their mobile torches. शादी के बाद सब मिलकर एक ही बात कर रहे थे कि ये शादी उन्हें जिंदगी भर याद रहेगी. After the wedding, everyone agreed that this was a wedding they would remember for the rest of their lives. खाना, music और दोस्तों का प्यार, सब कुछ perfect था. The food